Apartments in Dubai are becoming more stylish and functional than ever, and carpets are playing a major role in defining interiors. In 2026, modern carpets are no longer just functional. They create comfort, add personality, and elevate your entire living space. If your apartment feels incomplete, the right carpet could be the missing piece. Choose the right size. In apartments, space is limited, so choosing the right carpet size is crucial. The rug should anchor the main furniture, like the sofa or dining area, while leaving enough space around it. A perfectly sized carpet instantly makes a room look organized and intentional. Neutral and light tones. Soft neutrals like beige, cream, and light gray are perfect for apartments. They open up small spaces, make them feel airy, and complement furniture and wall colors. Neutral carpets create a cohesive, modern look that never feels cluttered. Plush carpets for comfort. Modern apartments benefit from plush textures that add softness underfoot. They create a cozy environment in the living room, bedroom, or lounge areas. Even small apartments feel luxurious when you walk on a soft carpet. Low-pile carpets for practicality. Durable, low-pile carpets are perfect for apartments. They're easy to clean, maintain their shape, and withstand everyday use. A practical carpet ensures your apartment stays stylish and functional. Subtle patterns for style. Geometric, abstract, or lightly textured patterns add interest without overwhelming the space. Patterns help define areas and enhance the modern apartment vibe. A subtle pattern can make a small apartment feel stylish and curated. Layering rugs for dimension. Layering a smaller patterned rug over a neutral base rug adds depth, dimension, and a designer touch. It's perfect for apartments with open-plan living or compact spaces. Layering brings sophistication and character without taking up extra space. Earth-toned and natural colors. Earthy tones like muted greens, soft browns, and warm terracotta are trending in 2026. These colors create a calming atmosphere and pair beautifully with natural wood furniture and minimalist decor. Earthy carpets make apartments feel grounded and inviting. Carpets to define zones. In open-plan apartments, rugs can define living, dining, or workspace areas. This creates an organized layout and makes small spaces feel intentional. The right placement transforms a compact apartment into a stylish, functional home. Layered textures for a modern look. Mixing textures, like soft plush with low-pile patterns or smooth surfaces, gives depth to interiors. It adds a designer touch, making apartments feel more luxurious. Textures are the silent hero in modern apartment design. Timeless carpet designs. Choose carpets with neutral shades, subtle textures, and quality materials. Timeless designs ensure your apartment stays stylish for years, even as decor trends evolve. A classic carpet is a long-term investment that enhances your apartment style. Modern carpets in Dubai apartments combine comfort, style, and practicality. The right carpet can define your living space, add personality, and elevate your interiors effortlessly. Even small changes at the floor level can transform your apartment into a stylish, inviting home.